Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Quest account. First, understand that deleting your Meta account is a permanent and irreversible action. This means all your purchased games, applications, and in-app content will be lost forever. Before proceeding, make sure to back up any important photos or videos you wish to keep from your Quest headset, as they will also be removed with the account deletion. This step is crucial to avoid losing cherished memories. To begin the deletion process, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the Meta Account Center website. Once there, you will need to log in using the Meta account credentials that are currently linked to your Quest headset. After successfully logging in, carefully locate and click on the section labeled Personal Details within the Account Center interface. This is your gateway to managing account ownership settings. Within the Personal Details section, you will find an option titled Account Ownership and Control. Click on this to proceed. Next, select Deactivation or Deletion, and then specifically choose the Delete Account option. The system will then guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. It is essential to follow these instructions carefully to confirm your decision to permanently delete your account, ensuring you understand the implications. After confirming your request, your account will be scheduled for deletion. There is typically a grace period of about 30 days during which the deletion is pending. If you change your mind within this 30-day window, you can cancel the request by simply logging back into your account. However, once this 30-day period has passed, the deletion becomes permanent and cannot be reversed, meaning your account and all associated data will be gone forever.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.